lessons. So my name is Marlene and I'm the founder of earningmakers.com. In this lesson today, you will get the basics on how you can use ChatGPT in most cases. So as you can see here, how you can use it for your business or in daily life. And also I have a surprise below this video, so don't forget to download the resources. ChatGPT is capable of. First of all, there is an ability to generate natural, consistent responses across a variety of domains. So you can ask anything about health, wealth, pets, anything. Also, there is a continuous learning capabilities. So with ChatGPT 3, so with ChatGPT 3 is a continuous language model, which means it continues to learn and improve its personal performance over time. There is also high flexibility. It can be used in variety of contexts, including chatbots, virtual assistants, and generate content ideas, but we will see this later on. There is an easy access for developers with the code libraries and APIs for integration into application. And they can handle also simultaneous processing with that's make ideal for applications that require a fast response. But let's ChatGPT introduce himself first. So, hello, who are you and what can you do for me? So as you can see, it can take some time, but here you will have his answer now. So as you can see, he can help us with any question and he can answer us about a wide range of topics. So we just have to ask him what we can do with it. Do for us. So it's time to sign up for a free account. So first we have to go on HTTPS on. So first we have to go on OpenAI.com. So on this website here, and you will just have to click on try. Then you will have to get for an account. So give your email address and set up a password. And then you will get on this dashboard here. So as you can see, you will have all your previous chat here, so you can come back at any time. You can also clear all your conversation. You can switch from light to dark mode, where you can also join the OpenAI Discord if you want to learn more about the project. So you will just have to log in on Discord. And you can also access to the updates and frequently asked questions also. So that's it for this lesson, and see you on the next one. Just a little tips before getting started. So first of all, you should be as descriptive as possible. Because even if you can get precise answer, you will get also very broad answer. So you just have to ask ChatGPT to change the answer with your new condition. So you can reward or put more details on your asking. If your output is cut off because it's too long, you can just submit again your question and you will get the full answer. And if you want to summarize some of your contents, you just have to add explain like I'm 5. And just to let you know also, the AI doesn't know what happened before after 2021, and it's not always 100% accurate. So just double check any facts before putting anything online, or before putting anything online. So see you in the next chapter to see what you can do as a business owner. So in this lesson, we will see how you can use it as a business owner and how you can benefit from ChatGPT. So I have listed all the main domains. So you can generate business ID. ChatGPT can be your design assistant. It can also write and reading something. Helps you with your paid ads. Help you if you are dropshipping or Amazon FBA business. It can also create e-learning program. Help you with social media. It can be your copywriter or help you to code for your website or your app. But to go in more details, I will do a video by theme here. So see you in the first one, how you can get business ID.